IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light. Basically, it's light therapy that treats brown spots as well as red pigment. That can mean broken capillaries, it can also mean fine lines, and we can also use it to help reduce redness from rosacea, because rosacea is vascular. So IPL uses scattered light that helps to penetrate the dermis. The nice thing about this is it doesn't disrupt the epidermis. That's your top layer of skin, so it keeps that intact, and that way there's really not a whole lot of downtime associated with this particular treatment. What you might see is some coffee granules kind of rise to the surface. That's the pigment cells getting darker because they have absorbed the heat from the light energy, and that helps to destroy the unwanted pigment. Because the light energy actually penetrates all the way down into the dermis, it does reach the fibroblasts, so it also stimulates collagen production. So that's where it helps with the fine lines. Depending on how many treatments you have, it can actually make a significant difference and has a little bit of that tightening effect to the skin. So you want to avoid the sun prior to treatment, at least a couple of weeks prior. No tanning beds, and then also chemical peels. No chemical peels. It takes approximately 2 weeks to recover from a chemical peel, but 4 weeks for the skin to completely heal. That's why we do the treatments typically 4 weeks apart. Unless we're doing them in like a series. Also, if any of your skincare products that you use on a daily basis, your home care, have any alpha hydroxy acids in it, you're going to want to make sure that you don't use those products. So you really want to pare down to just basically a cleanser and a hydrator that's not got any retinols or alpha hydroxys in it. So during your treatment, you can expect a bit of a stinging sensation. It's also been described as snapping by a warm rubber band. Treatments are really quick for the face. It takes, and this is prepping the face for cleaning and everything, about 20 minutes. Depending on the area that we're treating or how many areas we're treating, your procedure can be done start to finish within 20 to 30 minutes. My personal experience, I've had 2 on my face and 1 on my neck and décolleté. Honestly, I mean, we don't even numb for this treatment. It's so quick. Just the bony areas, and that would be like above the lip, around the chin area, on the forehead, and if I get close up on that bone right there, it can feel a little bit more, but again, it's so quick, and then it's done. Afterwards, what you might feel is a warm sensation for a couple of hours after your treatment, and this just feels kind of like you've had a sunburn. But that pretty much dissipates after a couple of hours, and you may leave red. Most likely you will, actually. Almost immediately you can start to see some of those spots that we're trying to get rid of, the age spots or the sun damage, darken. That's normal. That's what we want to happen. It takes anywhere from 3 to 7 days for that to darken and fall off, and that's what I was talking about with the coffee grounds. That's kind of what it looks like. So to achieve your desired results, you're going to want to do anywhere from 3 to 6 treatments. Everybody's different. You may get your desired result if you don't have a whole lot of pigmentation in one treatment. I can't predict that, but basically they're normally done in a series of 3 treatments, and then if you have, more desired result that you want to achieve, you can do more treatments. Treatments have to be 30 days apart. So basically we want you to call and book a consult. We'll do a consult before we do the actual IPL treatment because I want to make sure to keep you safe. We want to make sure that the products you are using do not have any of those alpha hydroxys. A lot of people use products with alpha hydroxy acids in it and they don't even realize that they're using that. And so what happens is when we do the light treatment on it, because it's nanometers, it can cause a photosensitivity. It can actually burn the skin. So in order to keep you safe, we want to make sure that we do a consult first to make sure this is an ideal treatment for you and that we're going to address all of your skincare concerns.